Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching my channel. In this episode, I'm going to make a Red Paradise Mojito. Well, this Red Paradise can be used during the hot summer days or in kids' birthday parties. Well, coming to its taste buds, you can get a mild sweetness from watermelon, you can get the tangy flavor from lemon, and the most important ingredient in this drink is the mint. It gives the freshness and flavor to each and every sip you take. This drink is so satisfying and I would recommend you to enjoy this drink and please watch this video completely. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. You can see the soda, the other things. You can see the strainer. You can see the mint leaves, the watermelon juice, lemons, straw, sugar, soda. We have a presenting glass. Well, viewers, this is my Red Paradise. Now, let's have a taste test. Yeah, it's so yummy. I can get the bubbles from the soda. Viewers, I'm actually worried because hopefully this will be tasty for my judges. Karma. Tata. Papa.
Oh, thank you, Akhil.
Yes, Papa.
Thank you, Nana. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. कैसा है टाटा?
अच्छा खिला
हाँ? Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, it's very yummy. Very yummy, Akhil.
Thank you, Papa. Nanuma?
చాలా బాగుంది అన్న.
Thank you, Nanuma.
చాలా బాగా చేసావు. చాలా బాగుంది జ్యూస్.
Bye, viewers. Toodles.